Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing elitecompetitions.com. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So this is what their website looks like. So you can win up to a $1 million dream home plus 10k cash. You can just enter for like 0.60 pounds. You can also win big cash instantly and life-changing cars right here. As you can see, you can win the jackpot of $5 million pounds. And you can also spin to win and a lot more. So as you can see here on Trustpilot, they're rated 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is pretty good with 13,000 reviews, which is a lot. So this person said quick and easy, and now that they are all verified. So quick and easy and fair, first time entering, fingers crossed. So easy to use, great experience, easy to enter, easy. This was hoping to win something, oh well, won't try again. So she rated 1 star because she lost. That's not fair. Made me feel good even though I never won anything. Awesome site, and the list goes on about the positive things about this website. So you can try and make an account, and that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.